Welcome to our channel. If you want to export call logs from Instacart to keep records of your customer or shopper communications, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the Instacart app on your smartphone and log into your account. Step 2. Note that Instacart does not have a built-in feature to export call logs directly from the app. Step 3. To access call history, go to your phone's native call log by opening the phone app. Step 4. Look for calls labeled as Instacart or from numbers associated with Instacart orders. Step 5. Take screenshots of important call logs for your records. Step 6. On Android, download a call log export app like Call Log Monitor or CSV Call Log from the Play Store. Step 7. Open the app and grant the necessary permissions to access your call history. Step 8. Use the app to export your call logs to a CSV or PDF file. Step 9. On iPhone, call logs cannot be exported directly, so manually document important calls in a Notes app. Step 10. Save the exported file to cloud storage or email it to yourself for safekeeping. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.